Hello, how's it going? Today we are doing another Baking with Ellyn. Woo! I'm your host, Abby. Wait a minute. I'm your host.
What up? I'm Ellyn. I'm 21, and I never freaking learned how to be cool. Alright, I'm gonna leave now. Bye.
So right now I'm about to leave and go to Walmart. But first I need to get gas because we are literally past the line. So I gotta whip it on out of here and get some gas before we die. So Alright, hi. So I made the executive decision and decided that Target is a better option than Walmart. So we're here at Target just because I just like Target a lot and I just like the vibes that it gives. It's just all around better vibes than Walmart. Good news, people. I only came out with things that I went in there for. Success. Hello. I'm back. We are going to be making this like s'more casserole thing that I saw online. So the last time we tried baking together, it didn't really work out very well. So I thought we would dial it down a little bit, make it a little bit easier, and just have a relaxing time making some foods together. So what I got at Target was some graham crackers, marshmallows, chocolate. I don't know, my camera turned off, but I bought a bunch of s'more stuff, just, you know, chocolate. I also got these teas because I've tried them before and they're really delicious and I really wanted to get one, so bought those. I also bought this. It was pretty expensive, but I've always wanted one of these. Yeah, I went out and I bought one.
You splurged.
I splurged. She's chubby. So fun fact, I turned 21 like 5 days ago. I turned 21. I was going to make a vlog and I started making the vlog and then we went to dinner and I forgot to vlog. Hello, how's it going? Ellyn here. And guess what today is? My birthday. And not just any birthday. My 21st birthday. I'm on my way to Starbucks with my best friend here, baby Sarah. And we are going to treat ourselves and hopefully... Oh. Look how beautiful this is.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you too.
I'm buying this. First purchase as a 21-year-old.
Hello! Just made my first and second purchase as a 21-year-old. This and headed over to the ABC store and got some Bacardi. And Abby got, what'd you get? Show them what you got. Ooh. Yeah, her breath's really small. Happy birthday! Wow, better crack one of these puppies open. Beautiful.
I tried. We did like
A little of
objects, but I was only in.
I hope no one sees this through the window. Okay. So this recipe is really simple because the past few times that we've done baking here on my channel, it hasn't really turned out that great. Low success rate, I would say. It's called s'mores bake. Kind of like a s'more casserole. So I'm really excited to do that. So let's get started. All right, I think we're ready here. So I got my bowl pan thing that, this thing rattles, it's really annoying. Oh my gosh. That we're going to put the stuff in. So let me go get the stuff. Okay, don't forget about the coffee. First things first, preheat oven to 400 degrees. Now, grease the baking dish with cooking spray. I don't know if that was enough. I don't know if it was too much, but we're gonna go with it. Okay, well, we don't have very many steps, but I think this is kind of just one of those things where you just You just go. You just kind of guess and go. Some graham crackers. You guys know that part in Camp Rock when the graham crackers fall from the sky and the guy's like, graham crackers. And a graham crackers. Our chocolate here. Let's take this baby cracker open. So they took like bars, but I kind of just want to go like that. Also, they used the big marshmallows, but I got the little ones because it looked like it was better that way. Okay, here's what this looks like with all the little chocolate pieces. Fun, fun, fun. It's looking good so far. Layer of marshmallows. Beautiful. Gonna add the graham crackers. Let me just, I think you just, I kind of want to make these small pieces, like just crunched up a little bit. You know, I kind of want to crush these. We're gonna crush up the graham crackers. So we're taking this recipe and we're adding our own little pizzazz into it because this is just more fun this way. Okay, so I crushed up the graham crackers with my fingers. Oopsies, doopsies. This is what the first layer of everything looks like. Looking delicious. It's time for the second layer. I'm just gonna put this in fast motion because it's gonna take me a little bit, so just chill here for a sec. Okay. Okay, so this is pretty much what it looks like now. Okay, I think she's ready to go in. Oh god, this is heavy. Okay. Start this timer for 8 minutes. Alright, timer went off. Check it out on these babies. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I think she's done. So we're gonna take her out. Ooh, look at this. This is beautiful.
Oh my god.
Doesn't it look good?
That smells really good. It's all
Look
toasted
at
and pretty. Oh, good job, Ellen.
Thanks. See, I'm not that bad. I can do some stuff. Just not
Everything.
pumpkin little dough babies that we made last time.
Okay, well.
But this I can do. We're gonna let it cool for a little bit and then we're going to try it. I don't think it's gonna taste bad because, I mean, look at it. But I think I'm just gonna attack it. Just gonna go in at it with a fork, you know, just caveman style. So, yeah. You can stop it now.
How do you do that?
Just hit the button.
God, you scared me. Alright, please stop.
No, stop. Come in, come in, come in. Come see my masterpiece. Doesn't it look yummy?
Looks delish.
Wanna try it?
Carve it out of there. Oh. Scoop.
Stop. How's it? Good?
I feel like I have diabetes now. But it's delicious.
I don't like those up close shots.
I do.
So, that's it for Baking with Ellen. This video wasn't that funny, I'm sorry, I apologize. But I hope you enjoyed baking with me today. Come back again next time. Okay, bye!